Okay, it's time for Chapter 4 Programming Projects. Start out with the first one, which I believe was Test Scores. So, I modified the one from the previous chapter. This is my code. Here is where I use the if-else and all that good stuff. Add all that in there. There it gives me the average, and then also the letter grade, which is a B, which is hopefully I will do better than a B on this. Okay, now we can go on to the running the race. Here is my code, my variables. And sorry, I got distracted. There was a dog in the background. Here is the code where I compared them all. So it's going to take him, minutes. Took him half an hour. Joe's a little bit faster. Took him only 23 minutes. Steven, he wasn't even participating. He was like 60 minutes in. Took him an hour. So Joe came in first place. Timmy came in second. And Steven came in third place because, again, he wasn't even in this. Okay. Well, I'll write it again just so you can see the differences. There we go. There's another one. And let's go to the BMI. Here is my code for that. Run this. Wait. Ooh, I'm optimal. Let's run it again. This time I'm going to be 400 pounds. Still 70 inches tall. Overweight. Alright, another one. This time I only weigh 100 pounds. Still 70 inches. And I'm underweight. Alright, that was all of the projects for this chapter that I had to do. I'm going to attempt to put music on it this time, but if I don't get it, it's because I couldn't figure out how to add that in, or my software did not permit it. But yeah, that's it. And I just lost there it is.